Hello students, welcome back. So now I'm going to show you how you can plot a figure and save the figure in a file. So this way you can use the figure, you can mail it to somebody or you can attach with your document. So saving a figure is very easy in Matplotlib. Suppose you want to plot a curve. Let's say this is the curve you want to plot. Y equal to minus 1.5 x to the power 3 plus 10. And I'm going to show you how you can plot this curve and save the figure. So first thing I'm doing is importing my Matplotlib library. I'm also importing NumPy. This will allow me to perform vectorized operation. So let's create some x values first. So in this case, I'm creating x values. I'm creating 30 values, 30 points, and my points are going to be between -4 to +4. And then I'm calculating the corresponding value of y over here. So this y is minus 1.5 times x to the power 3 plus 10. And then I'm printing the value of x, and I'm also printing the value of y. So you can see that there are total 30 values in here, and the value of x goes from -4 to +4. So when x is -4, your y comes out to be 106. When x is minus 3.72, your y comes out to be this. And likewise, when your x is 4, your y comes out to be this. Okay, I got my x and y. Now I can just plot that very easily. Just call plt.plot. I'm calling this inbuilt method, specifying my marker as star, and this is going to plot this. Now, mind you, when you're saving your file, all you have to do is just call savefig, but do not put plt.show before that. Okay, replace this with plt.show. So in this case, I'm not calling plt.show, I'm just calling savefig. And when I run this, it's going to create this file equation.png. Okay, so let me show you that file. Let's come over here. This is the file right here, equation.png, the one I just created. So let me double click this, and there you go. So this is that file, and this is the image over here. Okay, so now let's say you want to create a high resolution image. You can do that too. So in this case, I'm creating a figure size 6,4. Same plot right here. Everything is same. The only difference now is I'm actually, by the way, I'm also giving some title this time. I just want to put some title. And this time I'm calling this image as equation underscore high res dot png, and I'm specifying dot per inch in this case 300. So this is going to give me a high resolution. When I run this, you're going to see that file being over there, equation high res. This is that one, and let's click on this, and there you go. This is that file. Let's take a look at the high. What is the size of the file? So this one actually is size is 66.4 kilobyte. This is a high resolution. The original file was only 118 kilobyte. So this is 64. I mean 64 or whatever the number was, and this one was a low size file because this one is a low resolution file. Okay, you can also save this in multiple formats. So in this previous instance, I just saved in a PNG, but you can also save in PNG, PDF, SVG. You can save in all these formats. So in this case, I'm actually saving in multiple ways. When you run this, you're going to see all these three files over there. You're going to see equation.pdf. Let's double click this. Let's open this PDF file. And there you go. This is your PDF format right here. And then you can actually open up your SVG file too. And let's open it with Firefox, and let's go to just once, and this is your file right here, and there you go. Okay, so this way you can actually save files, and you can actually do a lot of things over here. All right, I hope this session helps. Thank you.